Now, here's how you can connect Notion to your Notion calendar on your iPhone. So, for those of you who don't know, there is a specific separate app called Notion Calendar, which can be downloaded as a standalone app. And essentially, if you check out the little description there, you can see that it lets you schedule stuff and meetings, whatever, but it deeply integrates with your Google Calendar as well as with your existing Notion account. Right? So the way that it works is that you have to download it at first as a separate application. Just click on it, get inside, and you have to sign in with Google, right? With Notion, you have the ability to sign in with like Apple and other possibilities are there, but this can only be done through Google. So you have to go like this. Make sure when you're setting this up, make sure that you connect the very same account that you have on your Notion, right? So that's how you can connect them. So when you click on this, right, you have to just continue, sign in and everything. And it's going to ask you to give access to your Google account. Well, you have to make sure that you trust it and continue and everything. So review the settings right here. Now, the notifications might actually be useful, right? So depends, but I just don't like this cluttering up my notification center. So I click don't allow, and now you essentially have it set up. The way that it works is that it is going to automatically sync with any databases in your Notion workspace that contain date properties. So this means that whenever you're using your regular Notion page and you have some sort of database with dates, there has to be a date element inside in here. It's going to automatically show up in here. So if you do not see it, then you have to ensure that the database has a date property in Notion. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Obviously, it also connects to your Google Calendar, so all of the events from the Google are going to be showing up in here as well. But as well, we have the plus button right here, which lets you schedule events or birthdays inside of the Notion calendar directly. So if you don't have any other option, you can also just add it in here as well. So yeah, any edits made in Notion calendar will obviously reflect in real time in the actual Notion as well. These apps are really just deeply connected. It's pretty useful. So that's basically how it works on the surface level. Perhaps if you want to in the future, we can just dive much deeper into that, but that's it. That's going to be about it for now. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will see you later on in the next video.